wanting residents to know their insurance rates could be changing. They're trying to get the word out now before anyone sees adjustments to their rates there, and it comes as a surprise to them. It's a good time to check your current policy and the new updated map. You can see right here what we're showing you. The panels there in yellow indicate a block of no changes for that area, but many areas are more complicated. And here to break it down for us is ABC Action News reporter Sarah Hollenbeck, who met with insurance agents and residents affected by this new change.
Jane Dunn has lived in her Oldsmar home for 21 years and says she's never had a problem with flooding.
I've never had anything to do with flood. I've never made a claim on my hazard insurance.
That's why a letter she received in the mail last week took her by surprise.
Very frustrating. I couldn't think. I had to work and try to get this done on my breaks.
Dunn is one of hundreds of Pinellas County home and business owners that soon will be forced to fork over more money for flood insurance. Starting August 24th, the new FEMA insurance map will take effect. The map hasn't changed in 12 years, but now some people currently in non-flood zones could be required by their mortgage companies to add flood insurance.
We're encouraging everybody to just look up what that change is and talk to their insurance agent about how it's going to impact their insurance rates.
Jake Trimble at Brightway Insurance is already fielding some of those calls. He says the change could cost homeowners an extra $1,000 to $3,000 more a year. But if you act fast, you can lock in a rate now before your flood zone changes.
We want to take care of that now to make sure you can lock in at a grandfathered rate.
Insurance agents say you have two other options to save money: raise your deductible or lower the coverage of the contents inside your home.
When you think about a flood, you want to make sure you're covering the low-hanging fruit there in the house. So you want to talk about the couch, the furniture, things like that. You don't want to insure the things that are 10 feet in the air because it's unlikely it'll touch those.
Dunn was able to lock in a lower rate by getting coverage before the new maps take effect. But she worries if her neighbors don't do the same, they'll be stuck with the surprise, potentially triple-digit increase the next time their insurance policy is renewed.
That's a lot of money to spend on flood insurance that when we haven't even had a flood problem.
In Pinellas County, Sarah Hollenbeck, ABC Action News.